to the Math Park, where we learn various math concepts. Today we are going to learn about ascending order. Ascending order is when numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest. Take for example a bird, a rabbit and an elephant. They are arranged in the increasing order of their size, that is, the smallest first and the greatest in the end. We can thus say that they are arranged in ascending order. Similarly, we will arrange numbers in ascending order. For that, you have to follow 3 rules. That is, the first is check the number of digits. If we have a single digit number and a double digit number, we can easily figure out the smaller one, as we know that single digit numbers will be smaller than the double digit numbers. If the digits are same, then check the tens place and again compare numbers. If the numbers are same in the tens place, then check the numbers in the ones place and compare again. You will understand it further when we solve some questions together. These are the numbers 12, 17 and 11 which we have to arrange in ascending order. That is, from smallest to greatest. To compare numbers, we will follow our first rule. Check the number of digits. Since the number of digits is the same, we go to the next rule. That is, check the numbers in the tens place. Since there are only 1 tens in all the numbers, we go to the next rule. Compare the numbers in the ones place. Here we can see that the smallest number is 1 and the greatest number is 7. So if we are to arrange these numbers in ascending order, it will be 11, 12 and 17. We can see that we have arranged them from smallest to greatest, and they are arranged in the increasing order. So that's how we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Let's see another example. 2, 19 and 16. Going by the first rule, we can see that we have a single digit number 2. So automatically we come to know that the smallest number is 2. Then when we check the tens place, both the numbers are having 1 tens. So let's go to the third rule, which is checking the numbers at the ones place. Going by that, when we compare the numbers, we find that 9 is the greatest. So let's arrange all the 3 numbers now in ascending order. 2 is the smallest, 16 is greater than 2 and 19 is the greatest of them all. So now we have arranged the numbers from smallest to greatest in ascending order. Next is 24, 32 and 18. Again, since the numbers are all double digits, we go to the second rule, that is checking the numbers in the tens place. Here we find that all the tens place there are different numbers. 1 is the smallest and 3 is the greatest. Let's arrange them from smallest to greatest. 18, 24 and 32. smallest to greatest in ascending order. We are going to learn about descending order. Descending order is when numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest. Take for example an elephant, a rabbit and a bird. They are arranged in the decreasing order of their size, that is, the greatest first and the smallest in the end. We can thus say that they are arranged in descending order. Similarly, we will arrange numbers in descending order. For that, you have to follow 3 rules. First is check the number of digits. If we have a single digit number and a double digit number, we can easily figure out the smaller and the greater number, as we know that the single digit number will be smaller than the double digit number. If the number of digits are same, then check the tens place and again compare numbers. If the numbers are same in the tens place, then check the numbers in the ones place and compare. You will understand these rules further when we solve some questions together. These are the numbers 12, 17 and 11 which we have to arrange in descending order, that is, from greatest to smallest. To compare numbers, we will first follow the first rule. Since the number of digits is the same, we go to the next rule, that is, check the numbers in the tens place. Since there are only 1 tens in all the numbers, we go to the next rule. Compare numbers in the ones place. Here, the greatest number is 7 and the smallest is 1. So when we arrange the numbers in descending order, it will be like this. 17 is the greatest, 12 is lesser than 17 but greater than 11, and 11 is the smallest. So we have arranged these numbers from greatest to smallest, that is, in descending order. Let's see the next example. 2, 19 and 16. We have to arrange them in descending order. Going by the first rule, we know that the smallest number is 2. So now the remaining numbers are 19 and 16 which have to be compared. We go by the next rule, that is, check the numbers in the tens place, but the numbers are the same. So then we follow the third rule, that is, compare the numbers in the ones place. Here 9 is greater than 6. So we have 19 greatest and 2 as the smallest. Arranging them in descending order would be like 19, 16 and 2. That is, from greatest to smallest in descending order. Next example is 24, 32 and 18. Since all the numbers are having the same digits, we will go by the next rule. Compare the numbers in the tens place. Here we find that 3 is the greatest and 1 is the smallest. So we can arrange them in descending order like this. 32 greatest, lesser than that is 24 and the smallest number is 18. So we have successfully arranged them in descending order, that is from greatest to smallest.